Charges are now filed in what appears to be a road rage incident in Niles, and it's all caught on video. The two drivers stop after some kind of incident. Watch as one of the drivers races to the other, but he goes back into his car. Police say that's when the first driver seems to attack the car, holding a knife. The whole thing unfolded around 11 o'clock yesterday morning near Toohey and Milwaukee. Later, the two end up arguing near the cars. And this is the suspect, 53-year-old Peter Dow. He is charged with aggravated assault. Dow claims the victim threw a cup of coffee at him during an incident.